In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best All Saints promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for All Saints promo code. After you do that, just scroll down a little bit and find the couponfollow.com websites. And right here, as you can see, we have a list of different promo codes that we can use and discounts. So in order to get, let's say, this one with 15% student discount, all we have to do is select and get this deal, and we'll be redirected to the website, and the discount will be applied. Also, you can use the promo codes right here. This is 15% discount of first order. And if you want to use that, just simply select your coupon code right here and then select continue to offer, which will redirect you to the website in order to get that discount. Also, you can scroll down right here and just let me find that website right here. You can go to this website, which is Sherlock's. And as you can see, we have right here other promo codes and deals that we can use. This is very simple. All you have to do is for a free delivery, let's say right here, all you have to do is select get offer, and you will be redirected to the website, and the discount will be applied. Basically, the promo code will be applied, and you will get a free delivery. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.